Have you been wondering where to get your kitchen appliances? Inverter freezers, washing machines, inverter fridge, rechargeable and non-rechargeable fans, musical sets, furnitures, turbo freezer. It makes your cooling items exceptional. Dual air conditioner, that's for both inverter and electricity. Blenders and air fryers, televisions, dispensers, generators, fridge and freezers. Then we have good news for you. Visit Desired Olive Electronics. Remember, Desired Olive Electronics remains the most reliable in Nigeria.